Hello guys, what's up and welcome back again to my channel. This is Hubby's World. If this is the very first time of coming across my channel, please do well to subscribe and like this video. Please also share it for me, okay, if you love what to see. So today is like a day in my life, and we are preparing food. This is rice in Nigeria. So we are cooking our rice now. But this rice is going to be somehow different rice. So this is my smoothie. So I normally drink it in the morning. So this is what I take, but it's not sweet, so it's not like your normal smoothie. So I drank it before I eat any other thing. Okay, yes. So after taking this, and I went into the kitchen. This is simply because I want to prepare rice pepper soup. Okay, rice and the pepper soup. I will normally use catfish to prepare this rice, and I bought this unripe plantain, thinking that I'm going to use it, but I did not use it then. I later prepared it another day. So this is my turmeric, and I'm using this turmeric to cook this rice. That's the way I cook my rice from now henceforth. So I don't cook plain rice, I use turmeric to cook it. So this is the rice. I've put on the turmeric, I just chop them into tiny pieces. So right now I'm washing the catfish. This catfish, I used to put hot water for them to remove it, for it to remove all these things that you are seeing, this white thing. If not, your catfish is not going to be clean, it's going to be somehow slimy, I be drawing. So I have to clean it up very well. So that is what I am doing here. We're cleaning everything up. That is daddy, actually. He's there, he's helping me out. I normally call him on those parts. So this is the rice cooking, and you can see the color. This rice is, let me just say, fried rice, because this is the way they normally cook their fried rice. So here, that is washing everything, washing this fish properly, making it to be very clean. As a Bayelsa man that he is, they know how to wash fish very well. So he's taking his time to wash this fish, removing everything that needs to be removed. Guys, I will not lie. The Bayelsa people, they know how to wash fish. All these riverine areas, Port Harcourt, Cross River, all those people that have fish now, Akwa Ibom, if you call them for fish, they are there for you. So that is what that is doing, removing everything, clearing everything, making sure that every particle is out, and the one that we use in cooking is there. So this is me, I'm removing the pepper, the ginger, the garlic. I'm using all this thing to prepare my catfish. Guys, try this thing and you will like it. This is the best way to prepare catfish. But anyways, DY, this is my own method. So I chopped out the garlic, the ginger, the pepper, onions, everything. So there's the fish after washing the fish, and it's time to blend our ginger, garlic, and pepper. So that is what that is doing. We are blending everything. Actually, we are using generator. That is why it's blending it this way, so that the thing will just be going well. So these days NEPA have not even given us, like, we don't know what we did. So after getting the smooth parts that we want in the pepper and the rest, the next thing is I went to check the rice. That's the color of the rice right now. Guys, if they did not tell that this one is not fried rice, you will not believe. This is my own way of doing my fried rice. Turmeric rice. So that's the pepper soup is ready. Anyway, keep on watching the video.
Everywhere you have a good husband. You have a complete husband.
I know, yeah.
Complete.
Consign me. Pepper day. And that ginger. And those things. And those things, that make pepper they come out. Ginger, garlic. You know, so I put them now. Wait, you test it. Show yourself.
You are looking for.
I will. Yeah. Show them your bad character. Your bad character. Look at that, so that papa. I said they found my trouble. See and there. We never put on clothes, so that's how they post them. I know this.
I'm in the kitchen. Cooking and
helping your wife.
Cooking and eating.
Now see, I'm gonna say in the day do in the sadness. You don't eat too. That is you. Man of God.
Man, there's nothing in this life.
Yeah, wait, okay.
Feel free, oh. All this jabber. There's nothing, though. Feel free. Be right with God. And
you enjoy yourself.
Enjoy yourself.
Guys, now don't sweet that it's you.
Wait. This one, is it bad? I'm just feeling myself.
Really?
I don't.
Don't. I beg.
I'm very fine.
Enjoy yourself. You don't cook my soup. Eating the rice like that. He love eating rice like this. Hey!
If you eat rice like this type of rice is eaten by ancestors, and I'm one of the ancestors.
Oh, God.
But that
I don't marry ancestors, I marry man of God. Yeah. And then they say in the spirit.
I'm an ancestor. Okay?
Ancient people.
Dead man walking.
Don't die.
You don't go?
No, don't they feel me. Me videoing you like this. Do you feel bad?
Feel bad how?
Talk, what they go say at the video that about. You like it? Now you even encourage me make a video and
It's
say.
market.
Selling market.
I'm selling your channel.
Have you?
Obvious what?
To tell them to subscribe, And like. Tell them.
Seeing me, they will subscribe.
Have you? Think that
This pepper soup is
anointed.
anointed. Who's coughing there?
I say the different.
Okay guys, we are done cooking and it's time to eat. This is Favor and the Prevail. They are eating. Yeah, normally put their food together. If not, Prevail will not eat very well. So I think they are enjoying the food because I was asking a question because of copyright. That's why I'm doing this voiceover. So they are eating the food, enjoying the food. Yes, I was asking them if there's pepper because daddy was complaining of pepper, but these children said no pepper. That's biased children for you. They are already used to it. So they are eating, and anyway, we are done. And this is me. And anyway, guys, please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe and like the video. Thank you all for watching. Meanwhile, make sure you watch the video to the end because there's something I'll be telling you guys at the end of this video. There's something very, very important. Okay, peace out.
It's been a long time we've vlogged, so let's be doing it like this. So I want to appreciate one of you that gave me like on my previous video. Thank you so much. I so much appreciate. Okay, tell them hi. Say hi, guys. Say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Yeah. So this is Privela. What's your name? Tell them your name.
Privela Tombawa.
Okay. Oh, his name is Privela. That's my sister's, my husband's sister, the son. Okay, yeah. They actually came. This is Favor. Favor, say them hi.
Hi.
So they came since on Saturday. Yeah, just children are on holiday right now in Nigeria. So, but I think they'll be resuming next week. That's the thing. But meanwhile, I want to fry a rich potato. Yes, this is healthy living. If you guys saw from the beginning of this video, I was just eating healthy living. See, this is I touched turmeric, so that is the effect. My hand is going to be very yellow, so that's the effect of turmeric. So I want to fry Irish potato, but I'm not using a groundnut oil. I'll be using red oil. In fact, now I don't use groundnut oil to cook anymore. I use red oil, and I don't even fry my stew. I've seen people that don't fry their stew. I wonder how would this stew come out. But I tried it and it was nice. I really enjoyed it. So that's the way I'll be cooking from now henceforth. That's the truth. Don't use anything groundnut oil again. Everything is red oil. You can eat pepper soup. Just healthy living. And I don't use the normal Dangote salt and all those sea salts. I don't use it. I use sea salt now. Sea salt, as I showed you guys in that video, in this video earlier, you see the sea salt, and the sea salt is actually nice. It's better. So if you're watching me, I think it's time we start eating healthy. It really helps us. It helps, and it help in building the immune system so well. So that is it. The know that you guys will be hearing, Favor is pounding a turmeric and ginger. So then daddy want to drink it. That is it. So in fact, start calling us vegetarian now. Close the door.
Something is working with this water.
Hey, what's that? Cockroach. Is it snake? Cockroach.
Yes.
It's cockroach.
Yes.
Wait, Favor, leave it. Wait first. It's cockroach, not cockroach. Say cockroach. I'm not even try. Come, let them see your face. Say cockroach. Say it now.
Cockroach.
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 You call this one now? No cockroach. He's having problem. I don't know. His tongue is cannot pronounce something. He always put R when saying those things. Yeah, so the place is dark. Oh. I don't know if I can carry you guys along, but when I'm done, I will show you guys the Irish potato, and that is basically what I'm eating right now. Yes, so
Every day I'm eating too. Me every day. Every day I'm eating potato.
you are eating
Potato every day.
potato,
Yes. Every day.
potato,
Yes, potato. Every
potato.
Day. Who favorite is calling potato?
Well, being a vegetarian life now. So what will you tell them? Tell them to subscribe to my channel. Wait now. Tell them to subscribe to my channel. Oh yeah, tell them.
To trash my sunshine.
Dogini. Say subscribe.
Squall. Cannot do.
You will say it though. Once you cannot do waiting. Try it now. You my umbrella. I want to swim my umbrella. Yeah.
I'm not seeing.
Say subscribe. Say it. Oh yeah, say it very well. Say sub. Sub. Scribe. Scribe. Squab. Say subscribe. Subscribe again. Subscribe again. Subscribe to.
Subscribe.
Say it. Say subscribe to.
Subscribe to.
Hubby's word. Say Hubby's word.
Hubby's word.
Yeah, so you guys should subscribe to Hubby's word, okay? Yeah.
What of you, Favor? What of you?
Favor, say subscribe, oh yeah.
Subscribe
To Hubby's word.
to Hubby's word.
Yeah, so you guys should subscribe, okay? Meanwhile, let me go and do something, I beg. There's no time anymore.